Welcome to 10 Lessons from Rich Dad Poor Dad that will change your life. Don't rely solely on a 9-to-5 job. The author stresses the importance of not relying solely on a 9-to-5 job for income and encourages readers to seek out additional sources of income. Take calculated risks. The book encourages readers to take calculated risks in order to build wealth, and emphasizes the importance of learning from failure. Invest in education. Rich Dad Poor Dad encourages readers to invest in their education, not just their formal schooling but also in financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and personal development. Use debt strategically. The author argues that debt can be used strategically to build wealth, but cautions against using it recklessly. Mind your own business. The book encourages readers to focus on building their own businesses rather than working for someone else. Don't be afraid to negotiate. The author teaches readers to negotiate for better deals and not be afraid to ask for what they want. Think long-term. Rich Dad Poor Dad emphasizes the importance of thinking long-term and planning for the future. Live below your means. Finally, the book stresses the importance of living below your means and avoiding lifestyle inflation as a means of building wealth. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more motivational videos.